Now we're going to practice changing slope-intercept form to standard form and standard form to slope-intercept form. Remember that standard form is ax plus by is equal to c, so we want there to be an x term in the front. And then we want there to be a y term after that. So what I'm going to do with this equation, I'm going to start out just subtracting the 3x from both sides. We can't combine y and 3x, so we've got negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 10. Are we done? Yeah, we can be, but I generally don't like there to be a negative 1 with a leading coefficient. So I'm going to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. I'm going to wind up with 3x minus y is equal to 10. Let's go ahead and look at this green one, which is in standard form right now, and we want to change it. We want to change it to slope-intercept form. In order to do that, we have to solve for y. Remember, it's y equals mx plus b, so the y needs to be by itself in the end. So we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. We cannot combine 27 and negative 3x, so we wind up getting negative 9y is equal to negative 3x plus 27. And now we want y by itself, so we have to divide the negative 9 on both sides. And remember, the negative 9 is going to apply to both of these. So let's go ahead. Now we have y by itself and finish this. We've got negative 3 over negative 9, which becomes positive 3 over positive 9, which becomes 1/3 once we reduce it. So we have 1/3 x. Now we have our slope, which is 1/3. We found that, so it's going to be easy to graph. And then minus 3, because 27 divided by negative 9 is negative 3. And then if we want to graph it, we would. I'm just going to do a small graph down here. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. There we go. It goes up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. And there's our graph. That's what it would look like with a positive slope and a negative 3y intercept. Let's go to this next equation. And let's quickly graph it. And remember, for standard form, we just want to graph using the y and the x-intercepts. So when we're on the y-intercept, our value of x is 0. So 3, 0 minus y is equal to 10. So 3 times 0 is 0. And we've got negative y is equal to 10. That means y is equal to negative 10. And there is our y-intercept. And we're on the x-axis. Our value of y is 0. So we've got 3x minus 0 is equal to 10. So 3x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10/3. So we've got 10/3, 0. Okay, and that's our x-intercept. So when we plot it, we're going to do 0, negative 10, which is way down here. And then this is 3 1/3, 0. So 3 1/3, 1, 2, 3, we'll say. 3 1/3 is about there, 0. And then we're going to connect the dots, and that's what our graph is going to look like.